Hi, I am architect Sonura. In this video tutorial, I am going to discuss about command hatch in AutoCAD. And for using hatch command, you are required to either enter shortcut command H, or you can also select from this main toolbar command hatch, and there are some drop down arrow, and there is hatch, gradient and boundary. So we'll discuss hatch command today. And after that, if you enter H shortcut command, then you can do start hatching your enclosed region. So for doing hatch, you are required to either select pick point, or you have to choose this select region. That means determines a hatch boundary from selected object. So first I am going to select pick point, and after selecting this, if you bring your cursor to your enclosed region, it will start hatching it. And if I am bringing this here, it will hatch whatever the enclosed region. So this area is enclosed between outer portion of the door, so that will take only, if you draw one line here, that will do this remaining portion also. So if you want to change the scale of your hatch, you can select this, and you can this is sorry, this is a solid color, so I am making it some pattern. And you can select the scale from here. You can increase or decrease the scale from here. You can also give some angle value. These are the properties of hatch. If you want to give some value, like suppose I am giving 45 degree, so it will rotate to 45 degree. And if you want to again make it 90 degree, you can make it 90 degree, or whatever the angle. If you are requiring some specific angle, you can give here. And here it is, this is the hatch transparency. If you want to, so I am going to select, and here it is hatch transparency. If you increase the value of hatch transparency, then the hatch will become more transparent and lighter. And if I am giving a larger value, and if you see, then your transparency has increased and it has become more lighter in view. And also if you take print, it will come lighter. So hatch transparency is useful. And these are the angle if you want to change the angle, and these are the scale. If you want to change the scale, you can give according to your drawing, and you can set your hatch sizes. And these are the patterns. There are many different patterns you can select. All the patterns, suppose I am selecting this some brick pattern, but you are saying this, the scale is very large, so you can select this hatch pattern, and you can go to this scale size, and you can change the scale size either by selecting this arrow. You can start giving lower value, but it will take a lot of time. So you can give the value right from here only. I'm going to enter 1, and the scale is changed to our required size. So this is very handy. And after that, if I am going to, if I want to delete some portion of this hatch, I go select this hatch, and I will select this remove, and I will go to select this portion and enter, and that portion will be deleted. So you can use remove also. So next thing is, uh, if I want to hatch by selecting a region, I will go enter hatch, enter, and I am going to now select. So select it determines the hatch boundary. So you have to first draw a boundary, then you can choose this to draw your region. Suppose I am selecting this select hatch, and I am going to select this region, and it will automatically select the boundary, outer boundary, and do the hatching. And also you can select this hatch and edit its properties. And this is solid color. If you want to give some solid color also, you can fill the region with a solid color, and you can change the color from here. You can give whatever color you want. You can give different colors from this. And also if you select, and you can make some gradient pattern from here. This is the solid. If you want to make some gradient pattern, you can select this gradient, and you can give gradient pattern. So this is the some cylindrical, this is a linear pattern and cylindrical pattern, and this is inverse cylindrical. And also whatever you pattern you will select, gradient pattern, you can edit from here. You can select this is the color of gradient color. So two colors are there, and you can change the colors if you want. If I am going to select red, and I am going to make this green, so it will change to a red green color. And you can also change the transparency, and you can take some another color also, and you can change to pattern also from here. If you want to if you don't want gradient, you can change it to pattern also. And from pattern to user defined. So user defined is you can define your pattern by yourself, and you can select user defined, and you can change the properties. So after this hash, we'll discuss some other properties of hash also. You can from main toolbar also you can select this gradient, and you can start hatching your region. So you can select from properties also, you can select from here also. So there are some other properties also. I have told you very basics details how we can edit properties and pattern, and how you have going to select this peak point, and select this hash for selecting the region. And you can change transparency, angle, and you can change the scale also. So I am going to do a hatch. Suppose I am going to do a hatch of this bedroom. I am going to select this angle, and you are required to change the scale. I am going to increase the scale to 8. It's not sufficient. I am going to make it 18. Also is small. I am going to do 30. So now you are saying this uh, pattern. And if I want to use this set origin, so it will you can change the origin of your hash command. Suppose I am going to select this brick, and I am going to give some lower value, and if you want to set the origin for your hash command, from where you want to start your hash. Suppose this is very narrow, so I am going to select this hash, and I am going to set the origin from here. So you are seeing that automatically the hash pattern has started from here. So it will look very useful for you to set the origin also. These are the associative, means colors, whether the hash will automatically update when you modify this boundary. So these all are associative, means you use if I am going to draw some circle, and I am going to use hash, and after that I am going to select this circle outer portion, and if I am going to increase the hatch pattern is also increasing with the radius of circle. So that means it is a associative. And if I am going to select this hatch, and I am going to deselect this associative, and now if you increase your radius. This hatch will not increase according to radius of the circle. That means it is non-associative. So you now you will be easily understand what is associative. So I am going to how you can use associative and non-associative, and now I am going to tell you about how you can use match properties. So match properties also you can use from here, or else you can match the properties from entering the shortcut command ma match properties, and you can select hatch pattern and you can select another pattern, so it will match according to this property. So this is the very useful match properties, and so now you can understand how we are using hatch pattern to edit our plans, and you can now easily apply different hatch patterns to your rooms. And if you want to use another method, another pattern, so you can use different patterns to hatch your floor plans, and you can apply, you can change the scale according to your composition, and you can start drawing. So I can now change the patterns. You can apply different, if you want to hatch your walls, you can go and pick points, and you can start hatching your walls also. If I am going to select this region of wall, if you are entering, so it will hatch the wall region also. So make sure that it should be properly enclosed space. You can go and select this pattern and change the properties. So you can take this ans 131, and you can change the increase the scale size from here. I'm going to increase 12, then I'm going to enter 18, and you have you should give uh, values according to your hand size. So you can hatch walls also, you can hatch these floor plans also, you can hatch elevations also by using hatch command. And also there is hatch edit, which you can select the hatch and you can enter hatch edit, and you can find all these things which I have told you in the hatch edit also. You can use it to edit many things, and you can use remove boundaries also. And if you want to separate hatches, you can use separate hatch, that I will tell you how you can use hatch separate. I'm going to enter a hatch here also, and here also, and here also. So if I am going to select this, these all are one. So you can select this hatch and go to hatch edit, and here you can select separate hatches and hit OK. Now all the hatch are separated in the region. So these are all sometimes useful. So hope you have understood this hatch pattern, and in the next video tutorial we'll discuss about ellipse, rectangle command and polygon command. So if you like my video, please subscribe and like and give your valuable comments. Thanks for watching.